Sup guys, so I didn't grind, but I just redeemed some codes. Like all the codes, not some codes. So look at these boys, let's look at these. Shoo! Okay, I have a lot more.
Where can be? Oh, you have jelly. Buy an egg.
Should I do
Don't.
what?
Buy B.
Where?
Buy an egg.
Ticket? Here?
Here, yes.
Wait, here?
Yes. Open shop. Buy one more. Well, I take you. Okay. And go to the base. Back to the base.
Wait.
Leave shop. But you have to clear.
Buy all of it. Should I buy all of it?
Yes. There are 2 funds. I use my microcondenser to
Okay.
And you see a jelly?
Huh?
See jelly?
Let me see. How much bees do I get? Where do I see the bees?
Here, basically, you see a jelly? Has jelly, you can get a better bee. Who you blue red. PT is running funny.
Okay. Not too bad. Still bad. And what did I got? What did I get for the last one?
You
Still
see a jelly?
basic. Huh?
You see a jelly?
What?
Jelly. I mean,
Jelly?
yes.
Oh.
Take a jelly to a basic bee.
Hey, jelly.
Yes.
Basic? Why basic?
This basic is actually trash. And red is better. That's good for new player. Yes.
What?
You have an epic.
Oh my god, bro.
Now let's go to grab.
Wait, so how?
You see.
Put all these?
Don't. How you can take to draw B. Yeah.
This guy?
Yes. Level up. Yes. To level up. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Now go to grab.
Wait, so how?
Here. You see this?
Yeah?
Here. To grab.
Yeah?
No.
Here?
Yes. Go to grab. You can use auto click it.
Oh, okay. Easy.
Okay, now we'll go back to the base to.
Oh, wait, that's so easy.
Because you have a good BM boost.
To what?
Mechanic. Yes. Mechanic. Don't auto click or anything. Okay, go back. And do that again and again.
Okay, how do we increase the storage?
And go to shop.
Oh, okay.
100k you go to shop.
100k honey?
Yes. I use a lot of microcondenser to clear my pollen. To honey. It's a lot of booth.
Okay.
Oh, you can go to that.
What?
F5. Nice.
Wait, ladybug, should I attack it?
No. Oh, bro, you need to attack spider. Kill him. Kill. Chill. I will come to help you. Don't worry.
No,
I will come.
No.
I will come to help you.
No!
Bro, aren't you dead? Bro, spider, you suck. You killed my friend and I will kill you back. Come, I will help you, spider.
Does it give us anything?
Yes, a good to upgrade the meat.
Chill out.
I will come. Don't worry. Where are you? Where's the bee? Bruh, you didn't join with 7.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Turn myself up, please.
Bro, I got a lot of proof. No. Bro, this is so good.
I turned my auto clicker on.
Just being good. Bro, I have a lot of jolly and ticket.
Oh, why is it so hard?
Just where you see easy.
I want to increase my back. Wait, how much can I increase my back?
I'll just go to shop.
How much?
Just go to shop and shoot.
It's a where's shop?
Yeah, just go.
Ugh. I just don't know how to use computer.
I'm looking computer. Bro, I see shop.
Huh?
I'm looking a computer.
Okay, where?
And go.
Right. I shop there. Right, it's right next to my mine. Open
I
shop.
got a lot of money. Only to the. Oops. Buy that.
600.
I'll buy the last one. No.
Okay.
Buy the second one.
Equip.
Can buy.
Now how much will I get? Let's go!
Yeah, but still didn't go to school.
Easy.
This game was so hard.
So I'm gonna skip to the part where I'm kind of stacked and better. So let's do this. You give me a gift. So I'm gonna skip to the part and I'll come back when I'm super stacked. Hello guys. So I'm back and I ran a bit so I got this new thing and I got 10 V's, so that's why I'm here. Oh my god, bro, chill. Okay. Chill out, bro. So are we why am I not? Yeah, okay. So I'm supposed to kill these guys, right? Oh no, chill, Mantis, chill. Does it give me more honey? What's this cloud thing?
Listen, windy.
Cloud bee?
No, windy bee.
Windy bee?
Yes. Go attack. We'll kill you.
Well, chill, Mantis. Chill out, bro.
I will draw you
kill it, please
We're
kill it.
available online.
Rhino Beetle is gonna spawn in 4 minutes, bro. I don't like it. It's the worst thing ever, bro.
Enjoy your 7.
But why am I getting less honey than before, bro?
Because you'll be attacked.
Oh no, it spawned! No, it spawned!
No, I can do.
Can you kill it? Can you kill it?
Yes, my bee coming. Dang, my bee coming. Ooh. Oh, oh, oh. Don't worry, my bee coming. Let's go.
Thanks, bruh.
Oh, oh. Okay, stronger. You and me.
Huh?
Level 7. I have one bee level 8. You be dead.
I have a bee that is level 6. Finally. Oh, again, this Rhino Beetle, man, I hate it. Wait, there's new one. Should I buy this?
No. Miss. Why miss? Miss just for Noob.
Wait, I found 3 tickets. Now I can finally buy from the shop.
Go ahead.
Let's go there.
Right there. I lose on my corner. No.
Why are you dead?
Because I died by a strong no.
Wait, if you die, you lose your...
Corner, yeah. Oh, someone dropped some. Oh God, I will go to. Okay.
Let's go. I'll buy these.
Go egg. First go egg.
Woohoo! So
Why is that so strong?
hatches into a legendary, epic, legendary, or mythic.
No,
Bee.
best, but better than the basic bee. Goodbye, basic bee. No. Nice.
Bruh, epic.
What is better than basic?
At least just give me like a legendary.
Legendary egg for a quest, but you need to do a lot of quests to get legendary egg. No, that's diamond egg.
I have 2 shock bee.
Nice. Good stuff.
I'm gonna level up this.
What is that for? So
I leveled up, let's go. Can you just like, oh, 27, okay. I just want this guy to be max. Yeah. Huh? So I think this is gonna be like part 1 of our like bee swarm, like bee swarm Noob Pro. I think I'm gonna name it Noob Pro now, cause why not? You know. Now it's gonna be not 24 hours, but 100 hours. Haha. So I guess bye bye guys. Have a good night and see you later.